This very nice fabrics. Hello guys, this is the real source of fabric Stocklot markets from China. Africans, Indians, Pakistani and Bangladesh importers often come here to take containers by container. The fabrics often sell by kilogram at very cheap price. Indians and Africans and Pakistani and Bangladesh importers, they want to tell you where they get this fabric Stocklots from China. They often buy containers and then sell to their countries at very high profits. This is the real source of Stocklot fabrics markets from China. Even you buy a container, the prices is very nice. It's very good. You even cannot imagine how cheap the prices are. Wow. This should go to African markets from the south. This is Burberry styles. Wow. These fabrics are loading. See, all these are the fabric market. My God. Wow. You can see over there. Wow. Even you buy a container, it is not too much. The fabrics are good quality, but the price is very cheap. They sell by kilogram. Oh, very cheap. My God, this rabbit styles, amazing. Wow, all these are chiffon. My God.